Go.
Biggest risk is not to take any risks.
Companies famous for innovation, executives known for it, understand that backing bold ideas isn't something you do only when the economy is humming. Strong leaders invest in people with great ideas, even when guys like these say things like this.
Recession is possible. Not yet ready to say whether or not the U.S. economy will face such a situation.
We did have a credit crunch. It did mean that there were problems that started in the financial institutions in America, and there were problems in every country of the world.
It always takes guts to innovate, and if economic times are tough or the stock price is down, the innovative leader needs an especially thick skin, or maybe a little arrogance.
There it is, right there.
Late October 2001, Steve Jobs introduces the iPod just as the last U.S. recession ends.
Millions of people are going to buy this to listen to their music.
You know the rest of the story. Roughly 150 million iPods later, Apple and Jobs synonymous with innovation and with a stock price to prove it. When the going gets tough, the innovative leader gets going. Tyler Matheson for the Business of Innovation.